Did you know we offer pad printing services? Pad printing is a technology that is employed to provide marking on parts. The process of pad printing involves the machine, a graphic, also known as the cliché, a silicone pad, and ink. Pad printing is cost-effective as the equipment cost, clichés, and supplies are lower in cost versus other printing systems. At Viking Plastics, pad printing is a static decoration process. We're putting the same artwork in the same location on each part from the cliché being utilized. As the customer, you have the ability to choose colors for the printing process. Pad printing can be used to give a customer information or highlight your brand on an assembly. Call us to discuss your next pad printing application or add some excitement to a current project.